Hello YouTube vintage stereo collectors, restorers, and Dynaco appreciators. So here's the Dynaco Pat 4 I started a few weeks ago, but I've been waiting for parts. Parts came on late last week. Finished off a couple things. I want to get back into this one. I want to start by building the power supply kit for the new regulated power supply board that's needed to drive the selector switch update. And you've actually got two boards, some parts, some wire, the new selector switch to replace this broken one here. And I'm actually surprised it lasted as long as it did. It had been repaired, and it's going to be hard to see this, but at the end with epoxy. So at some point it broke, and I've actually had this happen before. It happened with the Kenwood KR 5200, and it didn't even take much. It just twisting the speaker selector off. Blunk. This one here, one thing I noticed on this faceplate here, I think this switch was either slipping, or it looks like it was really tightened up hard to keep it from slipping out of place. And the little tab here that should be bent over more to come through the hole wasn't all the way through the hole. But anyway, for whatever reason, that broke. It was repaired with epoxy. We're not going to do that again. We're going to do the switch upgrade from Update My Dynaco, and finish a couple of the other upgrades I wanted to do. So I want to just do this. This is just the introductory segment. I'm just going to work on this morning. I don't think it'll take too long. There's not a lot of components. It's pretty obvious where they go. And I have the assembly manual. I'm just going to put it on a tablet in front of me here and go through it. Nice boards. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and listening.